Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to juggle. So, I just moved into my own condo and I don't have proper juggling balls, so lemons. So what you want to do is use proper juggling balls. It makes it so much easier. So much easier to practice, not break things. I'll link you below on Amazon where to find the juggling balls that I use. They're packed away somewhere. But lemons work for now. Don't get your moms mad. Okay, so step number one. You need 3 balls. Step number 2. Grab 1 ball. This is how you practice. Grab the ball in your left hand and you throw it to your right hand. Now you want to do this in an arc position, so you want to kind of make like a U in the sky. So it goes like this. Okay? You want to kind of make it like a U shape. So just arc it, throw it up, so it lands back to your right. So left to right. Now, once you've done that, so once it's from left to right, then you want to take the ball in your right hand and toss it over to your left. So I'll show you again. Toss to your left. Again, toss to your left. Again, toss to your left. So arc it high and then just basically right to your left hand. So from left to right and then from right to left. To left to right. Okay? And you're gonna practice this. I know it seems easy and I know it seems silly to practice this, but the more you do this, the better. The better you get at this, because this is all you're doing when you're juggling. This. Over and over again. So get good at this. Spend a couple days learning this. Okay guys, so once you've mastered your 1 ball routine, now it's time to start with the second. Now that's why it's so important to do the first step. Make sure you have that down. If you do not have that down, do not go to the next step. It's gonna be too hard. So what we're gonna do is have 2 balls now, or lemons, whatever you got. So left hand, throw it up. Same thing that you've been practicing, just with 2 hands now. So throw it up. Once it's at the top of the arc, you want to throw this one right across, like we were practicing. See? It's not that hard. You just have to really practice. That's why I said if you guys practice this, that's all you're doing. All you're doing is that. So when this one on your left is up, then you're tossing this over. And then once this one lands, you throw this one up again and throw this one across. So ready? Whoop. Okay? So practice that. I would sit on your couch, do whatever you gotta do, and just practice this. Up, over, catch. Up, over, catch. Left to right, right to left. Left to right, right to left. Left to right, right to left. Okay? Once you have the 2 balls down pat, this is when you're gonna get your last ball. And this is exactly the same pattern as we practiced. But here's what I want you to practice. So you grab 2 balls in one hand and 1 ball in the right hand. So 2 in the left, 1 in the right. What you want to do is the same pattern. Throw this ball up in the air and then throw this one over and catch it. Okay, so I'll show you. So with this ball in your hand too. So keep this here, that's how I hold it. Okay, so throw it up, over and catch it. Up, over, catch it. See? Up. Okay? this left hand, you hold 2. Right hand, you hold 1. You want to throw the first one up in an arcing motion. Okay? Then you want to throw the second one under, right to your left hand. So throw the one in your left hand in an arcing over to your right hand. Now while this one is in the air, throw this one right to the left one. So from left up to right and from right to left. Then once these are both in the air, they'll be both like this. Then you toss this one in the middle over to your right hand. So watch. So basically all you're doing is that first simple motion that we practiced. This. Over and over again. You're just adding another one. So once it's in the air, see how there's a space? They'll be both here. Then this one goes up and back over to that hand. So I'll try to do as slow as I can. Maybe I'll try to slow it down so you can see it. Another tip that I have, last tip, is that the higher you throw the balls, the more time you have to react. So if I were you guys, if you can throw it higher up, see you have more time, right? As opposed to doing it shallow, where like, it's really hard, right? See, even I dropped it. So the trick is just practice going high. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, if you need anything made a little bit more clear, I hope I did my best. I'll try and slow it down. I really appreciate you guys watching. For any more how-tos, top 10s, reviews, whatever, just please subscribe. It really helps me. I'm putting a lot of work into this. Thanks guys, and yeah, we'll see you soon.